go. That's all right. Yeah, please. Oh man, that could have been bad. I think I hit my foot peg on a rock. Yeah.
When you get up here.
Fuck yeah. Holy shit. Oh, fuck.
I need you to hold the front tire. All lift, but just don't let his tire go down.
Should I try to pick it up?
Yeah. You don't end up, you'll slip and fucking stop though.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
That didn't help. That's it.
I'm afraid it'll slush off.
That's gonna make a hell of a clip.
Are you in a good spot there, Eric?
Yeah.
We just need to get his ass in there, brother.
Oh, motherfucker. Thank you.
Hey, next time turn off the gas.
Yeah, I'll try to remember that as I'm flying down the fucking hill. Ugh. Did you see what happened?
Oh, I saw the zip grabbing your bike. No,
It felt like the foot peg grabbed
the high side
and fucking
yeah.
ejected me.
Not good when the trail boss goes over.
So do you want to push him to get him?
I think he's fine.
Alright, I should be good now.
Spin that out a little bit. Right? Yeah.
Whew, that was exciting.
Yeah. I wasn't sure when you were going to quit sliding though.
Me either. I'm just glad I wasn't tumbling.
Was it smooth?
No, I think I started going head first and somehow managed to get onto my... Actually, I'm gonna have to watch the video. I don't know what the fuck happened. I don't think I said too fucking shit.
Before death, and you're like, I love you, Nicole. I love you, TV.
I didn't have time to even think, to be honest with you. All right, thank you guys.
No more shows.
That's it. I told you there'd be a cherry at the end.